Hey guys, so if you have a Lenovo laptop and you want to connect them with the AirPods, it's super simple. So first, how to make it on a pairing mode on your AirPods. So first, what you need to do is that go to Bluetooth on Windows. You want to have it on the Bluetooth. And first, what you need to do, you need to have your AirPods in a pairing mode. So put both AirPods to the case, open the case, and then hold down the indicator until the light is going to flash for a few seconds. So then what you're gonna do when it's going to start flashing, then you're gonna click here, add a Bluetooth, and you got it. So it's super simple like this. So this is how you're gonna add and pair your AirPods to your Lenovo laptop. So thank you very much and have a great day.